You really can't watch TV these days without being assaulted by ads from insurance companies telling you to call them to save money on your car insurance. Many of these offer do-it-yourself solutions on their websites. But do-it-yourself auto insurance has left many people wondering what happened after the dust settles in their first claim. Here, we're very different. First of all, we're an independent insurance agency, and that means for you that we can shop the marketplace on your behalf to find the lowest rates. But more important even than that is the way we do business with you. When you call us, you'll speak to your own personal insurance agent, someone who learns about you and your family, someone who truly cares about your well-being. The reason we work so hard to make sure that we handle all of your insurance policies, from your home to your auto to your life insurance, is simply because we don't trust any other agent to get it right. This stuff's important. I know it's painful to write that check each month, but you just can't afford to get it wrong and be stuck holding the bag on a large claim. So give us a call. Yeah, we'll most likely save you a lot of money, but we will also take the care to make sure you understand exactly what you are buying and to make sure you're fully comfortable with it. And the next time you call, it'll be like calling an old friend. Why not let us get started helping you today?